It's like that, sir. What to do? And then, even if they stay at home, it's okay only. But the thing is, they are more independent.
Yeah.
It's good for the people here.
Yeah, at least emergency cases.
Emergency
you know,
cases, plus the small cases also. We are already. They have one hospital. They can at least meet their emergencies and other small requirements.